Okay, so I think we're live. Yes, we are. Hi, everyone, and I'm doing something a little bit different this time. I'm actually using OBS on my main computer, and this time capturing Average Maker MV through on the Mac. Now, why are we doing Mac? Because honestly, my Mac is a little bit slower, and as weird as that sounds, it's basically going to show us how good our performance is going to be. So I'm using Mac to sort of, yeah, to basically get a feel of like how well our performance is going to be, if that makes any sense at all. Alrighty then. All the right grunts in all the right places. And that's gonna be wicked loud, so I gotta turn that. Matter of fact, I think I can probably fix the. I don't know. Because we're working for Team Rocket and we're never gonna stop. Alright, so we're gonna do. Where is it? Open folder. Untitled. Entitled? No. So tired. Hello! Photon Phoenix and Anthony, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy your stay. Welcome to the stream. Alright, so. We're gonna go ahead and edit the. Oh, yeah, that's right. I need to install. Dash G. TSC. Yep, we have security issues. Okay, npm global Mac. Without sudo on Mac OS. Thanks. Easier path. npm config. Create your own folder call. I mean. Okay, so let's just do that real quick then. mkdir dot npm p and then npm config. Config what though? Yeah, I don't feel like using brew. Yummy, what up? Welcome, dude. How's it going? Yummy no Sekai. I wish I was a planet. That would be cool. Can we just do sudo? I know you couldn't with Linux because like it was like a weird security thing, and npm was arguing. I-G TSC. Put in our password. Oh, good. Never mind. It worked. TSC dot slash. Oh, good. There we go. That was a lot easier. Going good? Figured you'd pop in and check on the progress. Hello there, good sir. Progress hasn't really gotten anywhere because we just started, but I am now using Mac because my Mac is a lot slower than my Windows PC, so we can really determine performance impacts and whatnot. My eardrums. Turn that volume like way down. Thank you. But yeah. Oops. 2. Alright, yeah, we're good. Close. Alright, so what do we want to do? Let's see. Last time, what did we do? We created the Sprite Class. And that Sprite Class took advantage of the multi-threads automatically. We have our window for our editor tools here. Right grunts in all the right places. Started trying to make the plugin accessible even for running on toasters. Pretty much. I mean, like, my Mac's not... It's not like... It's not like real bad, but... Yeah, it'll still give us an idea. Because it's quite a bit slower than my desktop. So, it should give us an idea on how well it's going to run. I'm hoping it runs really good. It's weird, man. Sekai is just fun to say. It's so weird. Sekai. It's like, what? Also, what was that accent? That was bad. Sekai. And it's just, I don't know, it's so fun to say. I don't know why. It's weird. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. We were doing the HTML thing. So, currently we got, what? Objects, flowers in the theme. And we're going to do option 1. Option, oops. 2. Option 3. Save that. I'm going to go to style to CSS. We're going to We're going to spice up the nav. Make this username when you're like 15 long. That was an edgy weeb theme. we trust me, it's okay. I know that phase all too well. Sadly. Especially the edge part. Alright, so nav, we're gonna do background number 3399FF. Let's try that real quick, see how that looks. What? Oh yeah. So we can get rid of this now. What? That was weird. Okay. So then we need to do overflow auto. All the right grunts in all the right places. Because we're working poultry market and we're never gonna stop. Move that down here. I think that looked pretty good. To move along. Because you know I'm spinning around that base, prepare for trouble. So we got grass, water. Wait a minute. We can actually categorize stuff like. No, I don't want to do that. No. So yeah, we got grass, flowers, plants. You know, the plants counts as like bushes and all kinds of other random foliage. Shade, water. I think that's all we need, actually. Yeah, I think that's all we need. Then we can do... For the LI, we're going to do this. We're going to do cursor, pointer, and then ULLI hover. We're going to set to a thing. Question is, what should we just like invert? Yeah, let's just invert the linear gradient. Invert. You're shouting again. Invert. Invert. You're shouting again. Invert. I got Nate wants to battle stuck in my head again. So let's try that out real quick. Let's see how that looks. Hey, Tiny, what's up, man? Yeah, I like that. I like the way the button looks. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it basically inverts the color, the gradient. I like that. It looks like, you know, button E. Things are going really good, my friend. Things are going so good. They're in the hood. Because we're working for Team Rock. Okay, why? Why is that stuck in my head? Okay, so we got that. We got the lowest rate to catch. Okay, trees. And then tree theme. Let's see how that looks. It should automatically line break it, but yeah, there we go. What up? It's dashy, but not really. Alright, so for the nav, we're gonna do margin 0. Let's do 2px, 0px. And that should kind of space things out a hair bit. And I might even do a box shadow. I might do a box shadow. Yeah, let's do a box shadow. Zero px, 1px, 1px, and 0, 0, 0. That looks good. I like that. I'm gonna change the blue though. She doesn't want yellow. Ooh. Ooh. What's up, Doc? So let's invert the living F out of that and make it to something like a gray, actually. Yeah, let's go colorless. Anybody got time for color? Ooh, that actually looks good. Except for the save button, it makes it look out of place. Okay, how about like we don't style anything outside of the operating system theme? So let's do. Let's actually get rid of that as well. I'm gonna move this outside of the navs, and instead of an LI, we're just gonna do div, and then this is gonna be button. Just want to see how that looks. Okay, style equals float right for the button and not the div. Let's actually remove the div entirely. Why is it still like that? It shouldn't, Oh, you know what? I know exactly why. This needs to not be like that. I can have it. Alright, so let me check up on the comments real quick, because I haven't looked over in a hot minute or two. I'm about to give this the middle finger. Well, just dropping by. Maybe things are going well. I'm excited to see how this turns out. I appreciate that, Tiny. Thank you, thank you. I'm excited as well, though. I really hope it turns out pretty good. HR? What is remotely going on right now? That should not be like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we can just do this then. It could be okay up there. Yeah. Why not? Hey, Voltors, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. This stream won't be as long as the other ones because I've been trying to fix my sleep. I've been trying to fix like my sleep schedule, so I'm a little bit tired right now. Just in WebGL mode, the color seems off. Yes, it is. You notice how the color is different. WebGL mode, for some reason, maybe it's just like a default thing that happens. It's confusing. Why am I open Chrome? Get out of here. Okay, so Class equals pad. Let's just give it a pad class. Not pad. Padding, 8 pixels. It should look a lot better. Yeah, it bumps in the button a little bit. I think 8 pixels is a little too much though. Let's do like 2 pixels. 3 or 2? Let's do 2. Well, yeah, we'll stick with 2. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do non-boring stuff, like editing the TS file to make a grid. Okay, so we need to modify this as well. This dot create edit window. And we're going to throw all this stuff into a function. So scene map dot prototype dot create edit window equals function. Grab and paste all that. This dot create grid. Oops. What was I gonna call it? Yeah, we'll just create grid. Scene map dot dot prototype dot create grid is equal to function. And then we're gonna do this dot underscore grid is equal to new sprite, new bitmap, data map dot width times 48, and data map dot height times 48. So, yeah, you know what? I'll do something similar to what I did before. So we're gonna do this dot grid. Let's just do this first. This dot add child. This dot underscore grid. And then this dot draw grid. Because we're working for Team Rocket and we're never gonna. Okay, why? Why am I? Draw grid is equal to function, and we're gonna do this for let I equals 0. I is less than data map dot width I plus plus. And then same thing with j. So for let j equals 0, j is less than data map dot height j plus plus. And now we're gonna do this dot underscore grid dot bitmap dot fill rect. Wait a minute. Okay, we're gonna do this instead. No, that's too bulky. There's no need in doing all that. So what we can do instead is bitmap dot context dot stroke style is equal to something like 99, something like a grayish. We'll just put that right there. So then we're gonna do stroke rect, and then we're gonna do I times 48, j times 48, 48, 48. And in theory, that should make a little grid pop up over the map. But it doesn't. Why? F8. Oh yeah, duh, we didn't compile it. I have big brain, I got real big brain. Oh, I got big brain, what the balls? Why is that not working? I just don't know. Let's try this. Oh, I'm smart. Plugins, JS, plugins. There we go. I was compiling something that didn't exist. It wouldn't give me an error though. So. How was I supposed to know? Morning Pro in chat. Hello there, salad. Salad dressing. Salad dressing. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? The country accent. Soon. 10 hours. What Discord bus? What Discord bus? I'm confused. I am Confucian. How is this Arkansas? Okay, how is this Kansas? But this is not Arkansas. America is brain. It's brain. How is this? What is? Wait, I forgot how it went. What you mean Arkansas? I love that meme. It's great. There's our grid. We got our grid going on, and we're going on a trip. Something but ocean man. Take me by the hand. Lead me to the land. That's interesting. You know, Desert Bus? Just think of Desert Bus, but Discord edition. Oh, dude, Iron. How dare you? That's so genius. What's Desert Bus? I love how like I was pretending to understand what the heck you were talking about, and then immediately just ask what? What? Why? What? No. Oh no. I don't know what to do. I don't know how I want to go about it. First off, I need to try something. Okay, so it's kind of similar to the way you do. Oh, so that's pretty simple. It is. I don't know. Okay, let's be honest. Before we go any further, let's be honest. Does it look better having a little pop-out thing? Because I can't style to save my life. Is it better to have that or an in-game menu? Where are you? Pause. Became a drifting that occurs. Deja vu. I just been in this way before. Yeah, I say we go for the in-game menu though. I just feel like it's better if you. I don't know. Like, I was thinking that the pop-out would be good. Or would be better, rather, but I don't know. Better? No. So I'm gonna comment this down here. Giovanni told me I better make something nice. Alright, so we're gonna make... class, window, edit, choice. Window, edit, item equals, extends, window, command. Constructor, XY, super, XY. Da-da, 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 da-da. Kind of. It's not Java. It is, but it's not. It's TypeScript. TypeScript is basically JavaScript, which is like a cousin of Java, kind of. But yeah, it's TypeScript, and it's really heckin' good. Declare var And what was it? Window command NE. So we don't have no errors there. Relatively. It's not like real super new, but it is kind of new. Basically, long story short, TypeScript is something that you compile down to regular JavaScript, and when you do, it turns functions like class, constants, and I think even asynchronization stuff too, into something like that's compatible for older versions of things that don't support modern JavaScript. It's pretty cool. As you can see right here, the Sprite class, it turned it into your standard JavaScript function, but it still functions the same. It's really cool. It allows you to kind of code a little bit cleaner and compile down for more compatible stuff later on. Other than that, it does have some additional features, but I don't know too much about it. I literally just use it for the compiling of so that way it can be compatible with older stuff. At least for now. Okay, so then we're gonna do make command list. I think it was right. I gotta look that up. Yeah, it was make command list. Just add command test. So let's try that real quick. Window. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this dot when item equals new item 00. Gonna get that promotion and pass up RB on Yeah, dude, it's freaking heckin' cool. Oh yeah, I didn't do the add child. This dot add, oops, child. This dot when item. Oh no, what are you doing? Oh yeah, duh, I didn't compile it. Now you could do watch. Like, so let's do this because so now every time we save the file, yeah, it is gonna tell us like false errors, like add command doesn't exist on, yeah, but it does exist. It thinks that it doesn't because it's not able to grab the previous class, so that's not a real error. It's more like a warning. So now, there we go. So we have our test. Works like a charm. You see how fast we just created that? It's so simple. Like, we literally just have this little thing right here to create that window instead of having to do all that hot garbage that we did before. I love this. I love this. Okay, so let's do foliage. Let's call it like it is. So we're gonna add another command. We're gonna do path. No, let's do trees. Let's organize it a little bit. Trees, grass. Oh no, not grass. Path. Oops. So save that. Right? Yeah. Okay. Compiled. All right. Now I can get rid of the players later on. Like I don't need. Besides, it's mostly going to be like a mouse integration thing. All right. So let's extend by horizontal command, and then we can do well, let's just see how this looks already. It should naturally, yeah. Alright, so now we want to extend that to the size of the screen. So, standard width. Return, wait, window width, yeah. Window width. Return graphics.box width. And I think in theory that should, well, I gotta give it time to compile first. Okay. There we go. So we got our foliage, trees, paths. Shade. Water. And now that we have 5, it should like make a thing where you scroll over or whatever. Oh wow, it's cool. Yeah, you can scroll with the scroll wheel. I like that. Okay. What I'm gonna do here, window height, return window base dot prototype dot line height times 2 times 3. Let's do 3. Now we gotta declare window base so we don't get yelled at. Yeah, there we go. Maybe we shouldn't have the... Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should. 3's fine, I think, right? So, foliage, trees, path, shade, water. What else do we need? Maybe we can have... Yeah, we'll do walls. Just add command. Yeah, we'll make a wall as well. Like an invisible wall thing. That'll help out with mapping a lot. To move along, because you know I'm spinning around that base, prepare for trouble. Okay, so now I'm confused on what I want to do though. Like, as far as the theming goes, I guess we'll just make another. We'll have like an editing thing. Okay, yeah, that's what we'll do. Window, edit, theme. Not theme. Under mahogany. Alright, so then we're gonna just add standard. Let's just do, yeah, numbers. Let's have like a total of let's have 8 themes. And let's go ahead and add that. Where are you? Oh, my freaking neck is killing me, dude. Window base dot prototype. Wait, we can just do this actually. This dot when item dot height. When theme. Alright, so let's try that out, and there we go. I just need to add other windows to explain what these are, and then yeah, this is gonna look. Ooh, this is looking nice actually. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of looking good. You had to get rid of the grid thing though, like behind the windows. Hey. And we're gonna do that by creating the grid first. Makes it look a lot better. Yeah. Okay, I know this stream's like only been 35 minutes, but I need to go to sleep. I'm so tired. But yeah, what do you guys think? You think we should have the editor like this? Or is it gonna be like a little bit more descriptive as well, but yeah. Na 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 na. Do 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 do. Thank you, Salad. You as well. And have a good night. I can't wait to edit this more tomorrow. Alright, see you guys.